Hi and welcome back to the workshop. This time I'm going to be trying to do something to improve all of this. So what I've got here, well, at the bottom part it's a little caddy or cupboard that I put together quite a few years ago now on some casters. Originally designed at the height to have a small bandsaw fitted to the top, and like that it was pretty usable. And as time went on, I built myself this little router table from a design out of a magazine, and pretty soon after I put it together I realised that mounted on here it's just too high. You're working almost at this level, and apart from anything else it's a little bit dangerous because wood chips can fly and hit you in the face. So it really needs to be on something lower. So I'm thinking that actually if I could reduce the height of this cupboard or caddy, it's got a drawer in where I keep all my router bits and related stuff. If I could reduce the height of that, then I could bring this down, make it a much more usable work surface. At the moment it's just turned into a dumping ground. I've got my sander, Festool just sits there. What I'd like to do is get it in a usable condition, so it's not just storing bits of wood and batteries and the rest of it. So the first thing obviously is to clear some of this, well not junk, but to clear some of this stuff off so I can unbolt the router table from the top of the cupboard. So the question is, has the passage of time caused this to actually weld itself to the top? But we'll see. Oh, that's straightforward. Okay, I'll get that off and then we can start to empty out the caddy. Okay, we've got everything out. So the first thing we can do is we can take out that loose shelf. So what I can't remember is whether I glued this base on. There looks like there's some traces of glue there, so that might present a problem. But I think what I'm going to try and do is take it off at the required measurement, remount this in exactly the same relationship down there, and that should give me the overall height with the router table on roughly the same as my existing main bench. Doesn't have to be exact, but close enough. So I think the starting point is to see if I can get this base out with the wheels still on. So I obviously made it well because it's being held together just by the faintest slither of glue on a very small edge of that batten. There we go. I'm not going to attempt to reuse the existing dowels, so for now I'm just going to nip these off. I use one of the original sides to mark roughly where the screws had been placed. Do the same for the back. I'll have a couple of dowels. And there we go, job done. Well, there we go. It's not exactly the same height, a little bit lower than the main bench, but that's not critical. I was just aiming for something about that because that suited me, suited my back. It's much better for working on. I can adjust the fence quite easily. I can still get to the router. So all in all, I think that's a job done. I think this is going to make for much better and a much safer operation. So I'm going to give it a bit of a clean up, get it bolted back down to the caddy, get all my junk lobbed in the bottom. Well, thanks for watching. If you found it remotely interesting, please do give it a thumbs up and click that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. So I hope to start work on the drill press caddy sometime in the next few weeks. So please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Right, that's it for this one. I just need to do quite a bit of tidying up and I'm going to have quite a few things that don't have a home anymore, but we'll sort that out in time. Thanks again for watching. Cheers. And yes, it's covered in stuff again.